Hello, I'm Catherine Taylor. Welcome to this discussion today where we're going to be solving some medical puzzles by juxtaposing regional cuisines, epidemiology, and recent biomedical research advances. This is my hobby. I use a lot of resources. I love the PubMed database. It is abstracts that are indexed from all over the world, every reputable journal, including ones that cover alternative and complementary medicine, get indexed here. And then Science Daily, they have very good press releases on recent findings. Regional cuisines, every summer my family and I study and pretend like we're eating the food of different places in the world, including different cooking techniques. And so because of that, different techniques cause different chemicals to be present in food. Wikipedia, under culture, they almost always will tell you about the cuisine of a place and often a subculture within a country. And then I occasionally read cookbooks. And this is me eating kimchi jjigae in Korea. I was there for work and a friend said about 13 years ago, "You need to try some kimchi jjigae." And I was like, "What's that?" He's like, "Just go into a restaurant and ask for it. This is a typical dish of Korea." Okay, that thing was so spicy, but I ate it because I really wanted to know what was a typical dish of Korea, and I guess I've been like that for the last 20 years. And then epidemiology is the study of who is sick and where and at what rates, and there's a lot of information out there to help us know. All right, so next slide. My take on any medical conundrum is if medical science doesn't have an answer for us, then we all get to, and might even be obligated, depending on our position, to look for those answers ourselves. Medical science does not hold a monopoly on truth. Truth is just out there for all of us to find.